Planning an event is exciting, but have you considered the risks? A last-minute vendor cancellation, property damage, or even bad weather can cost you thousands of dollars. General event insurance is your safety net that protects your investment. I'm Roselle, and today we're exploring how this coverage keeps your events running smoothly. No matter how well you plan, things can go wrong. For example, property damage such as accidental damage to venue or rented equipment. Liability issues, injuries or legal claims from guests. Vendor no-shows, cancelled services or last-minute replacements. Weather disruptions such as raining or storms affecting outdoor events. Without insurance, these problems could mean huge out-of-pocket costs. To keep your events running on track, this insurance includes liability coverage, which protects against guest injuries or property damage. Cancellation coverage, which reimburses deposits if you need to reschedule. Property damage protection, which covers damage to venues or rented equipment. And finally, legal liability, which protects against alcohol-related claims. Many venues require insurance before you can book it, and even if they don't, it's the best way to avoid unexpected costs. With affordable plans starting at just $75 for small events, getting covered is easy. Don't wait for an accident to cost you thousands. Visit FarmerBrown.com or give us a call at the number on your screen for a personalized free quote. Make sure your event is protected so you can focus on making it unforgettable.